This I made $1,400 on Top Step and passed the Eval account. Lock in for the trade recap. This is the trade I took yesterday. I'm recording this video one day late. So yeah, this is the trade I took. Very short. I was only in it for 3 minutes or something, 5 minutes. I'll show you how I took it. So we had coming into the day. Remember, we were like here. This hasn't happened yet. So remember, we were here. We had big bearish S&T, especially with this. Just like we're just in a downtrend basically, or we had a massive sell-off. We come in and taking internal. We put in an S&T, and then it's looking like we're gonna continue selling off here. Okay, that was just the big time frame. I guess I had this as well. This was a very long-term draw. If we were gonna be, I can't speak. This daily fair value gap was just something I marked out, kind of like, okay, you might want to come down, fill this. We still haven't filled all of it, but you know, we still had this huge thing from yesterday. But yeah. So right off open, we create this, or well, not right off open, but during London session, we create this SMT. We make a lot of, or we manipulate up all of midnight, basically, to fill this, and we're just taking out highs, at the same time as we are filling this gap. Where is it? It's like here. Yeah, filling this gap. We put in an SMT with ES right here, because ES already filled the entire gap. Then we have all of this generated sell side liquidity right down here, ready for the taking. Like that's kind of my bias. I was also okay with going long because like right here we did have a bullish S&T as well, because they were just very, like you can just see, they're very uncorrelated right here. Like they don't really look similar, especially not in this accumulation. But yeah. So basically how I was looking at this is just internal, external, and or like this distribution. We had manipulation, or no, accumulation, all of this accumulation. Yeah, manipulation up on open here, and then distribution again to the downside. I guess this is the manipulation that I caught, but it still works, whatever. Like this, this that happens after 10, we reverse. That's actually the distribution, but you know, you can't really tell the future sometimes, you know. But okay, what was I looking for? I was looking for these lows, because they were, I mean, they're just good lows, man. They were just good lows. Yeah, these lows primarily, and yeah, that's kind of my only draw. I had this bullish draw as well, in case, but yeah. So on open, instantly we just take out this sweep. We don't put an SMT here, no. Yeah, no, we don't put in an SMT, but we sweep, we come down, we create this 5-minute order block, yeah, which is the blue line and also the green box here. I'll just do that. So yeah, green box, order block, we create the order block. My number one rule that made me profitable is don't ever enter without a 5-minute confluence, and which I won't ever do. So we're waiting for a 5-minute. First off, we have the bias in check. We're looking at order flow. Where is it possibly drawing? Where do we want it to draw, right? What is it respecting? What is it disrespecting? Once we figure that out, we only literally have a solid draw, and then we just wait for a 5-minute confluence to appear. The 5-minute confluence gets respected, and then we get a 1-minute entry on that. That's literally it. So what do? I wait for a 5-minute confluence to appear. We create one here. This is also the same, but for, you know, technicalities, this is it, the one I'm looking at. You can see the little 5-minute wick that we, whatever. Yeah, so right open. We push down all the way down here, very much take out a lot of lows here. We take out basically all of this on open. We'll save this low. We save this low. Yeah, we just have all these stacked lows right here. We take out the entire gap. That's basically, yeah, this gap. We take out the entire gap. So I'm still cautious on entering short, but just for how it was looking, I was more okay with entering short than long here. Because yeah, this could have been a reversal, but we only reverse up into the 5-minute confluence, exactly what I'm looking for right here. Especially if you can see the standard deviation. We come up to the 0.62 basically, 0.62 of this range that we put in. Absolutely perfectly. Not, well, we're a little off, but this is still very, very perfect. We just tap the 5-minute confluence. We come back down. We don't. I was looking at inverse this gap. We don't inverse it. We come back up again, and then we start selling off. Boom! We inverse this gap right here. This 1-minute gap. That's my entry. I get entered down here. Stop loss above the retracement. 100 ticks, and then we target this low right here, which was perfectly in line with what I needed to pass the account, which is like a 1.4. I needed like 1,400. So I just put it how much I needed for to pass the account. And yeah, it took 5 minutes, and boom, I was out of the market at 9:45. 15 minutes after open, and then I walked away. We walk away because I literally can't do anything more. I literally just passed the account. So yeah, that was that. And yeah, then we start. You can see we start slowing down. You don't want to be left down here and entering short here because you're already too late. You see price slowing down and start shopping. Yeah, no, we don't. Well, yeah, we put in an SMT, and then we start reversing here. Reversing, and then we get a big displacement here at right before lunch. That's pretty crazy. Big displacement here, and then we just continue, go wherever price wants to go. So that is the trade recap, man. I just passed an account. I'm gonna hold on. The sun is right in my eyes, bro. Like this way. Look at this. That's crazy. That's crazy, man. All right, let's. I'm not trading today because we have a bunch of red news and Top Step is kind of broken right now. But I thought I would show you this. Hold on. This and how the fuck do I show you this? Hold on, guys. Hold on. Hold on, man. Hold on. I think it's this. And just make sure I'm not showing anything crazy. I think this should be fine. So yeah. This is the proof in the motherfucking pudding, bruh. Yeah, I passed the account. Like this. It took me 8 trading days, I guess. And it says 18 trades, but it's actually like, I think it's only, well, we can see when the curve changes. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's 10, I passed it in 10 trades. Not very good, but for a first account, it's pretty good. And I get this. With my name on it, man. That's fucking amazing. You always see this with other people. You watching this, if you haven't passed an account, you're looking at this and be like, damn, I want my own name to stand here. Now, I have my own fucking name on this, man. Praise God, man. This shit is fucking beautiful. This is beautiful, man. This is what we work for. This is what we're working for, man. See, I thought I'd show you this. And yeah, this is the news today. This was news today. I did not care about this news at all. Orange folder at 10 a.m. Preferably, I'm looking to take a trade before 10 a.m. If there's red news at 10, I usually wait. Or if there's a really good setup, I take it because news is only gonna accelerate my take profit. Yeah, it can be shaky, but like it totally depends what news, you know. It totally depends what news it is, you know. Like if it's CPI or something, that's usually at 8, so it doesn't really matter. But like if there's some crazy shit at 10, I usually don't. I usually wait for that. But yeah, that was that, I think. Yeah. 10 minutes, so yeah, that's about it. See ya, man.